You don't want to have to deal with every single YouTube analytics. There's a lot of YouTube analytics, and I'm going to tell you my top 5 that you can do so that you know if your channel's healthy. Coming up. Hey, it's Dane Golden from Hey.com. This is the channel where we help you grow your customer community for your business with helpful how-to videos. So you don't have a lot of time and you want to know the health of your YouTube channel. You can use YouTube analytics, but there's just so many YouTube analytics. What do you use? Well, I'm going to tell you my top 5. So first you look at Realtime, and Realtime is important. That tells you how videos are doing in the last 48 hours. There's 2 options of Realtime, and they're both in the old Creator Studio, not the new Creator Studio yet. And what that is you have one tells you the last 48 hours of the newest videos, and one tells you the last 48 hours of your top videos on your channel. And they're both important. You should look at both of those. So if you see a video that's popping that wasn't popping before on Realtime, then you can look at the audience retention for that video. And you can see, is it have more than 50% audience retention across that video? And if it does, then you're on the right track, because that video is going to keep getting traffic. Then you want to look at a few other things. What are the traffic sources? Is it video popping just simply because it has a lot of paid media? That's fine, but you should know it's coming from paid media. Is it going to have browse features, and does it have suggested videos and YouTube search? Is it trending for all those things? And you want to know that. Then the thing I want to know for a video is it getting subscribers? Right? Is it getting subscribers? And if it's not getting subscribers, then why is this video that's getting so much traffic not getting you new subscribers? There's something wrong there, and we don't know what that is. The last thing I look at is the click-through rate for the video, and that comprises the title and the thumbnail, and of course the topic, because if people don't like the topic, the thumbnail and the title are not going to do very good. So you can only look at this on the new Creator Studio. You can only find that click-through rate. So those are my top 5 YouTube analytics. So we're going to have a download for you in the description of those top 5 analytics. And I'll see you in the next video. Click here. I'll see you in the next video.